Now this is a story all about how a eukaryotic cell came about, and I'd like to take a minute, just sit right there and explain the details down to a hair. About 2 billion years ago, eukaryotes were made from the foundation the prokaryotes laid. Complex structure and inside so cool, and all the structures were organized like a school. When the nucleus speaks, it's like the boss. It's bound inside a membrane, it's got the sauce. Multiple chromosomes make up the DNA. It's very bossy, it has a lot to say.
DNA turns into mRNA in the nucleus. The process called transcription. Isn't it obvious? mRNA becomes proteins with some help. It binds to a ribosome like some kelp. The process is called translation. It makes so many proteins, you could call it a nation.
Proteins have a variety of functions. You can find them in the membrane, some with junctions. The phospholipid bilayer keeps things out, so several reactions can happen, no doubt. It has a polar head and non-polar tails. Some things go through, but some things fail.
The cytoplasm takes up the space in the middle, from the lipid membrane to the nuclear envelope. Several structures are suspended in between, each enclosed and doing their own thing.
The cytosol has ions in different molecules, while the cytoskeleton follows its own rules. It's a network of fibers that supports the shape and protects the inside like a cape.
The mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell, making sure it all runs well. It works very hard to make ATP through cellular respiration with its cristae.
Endoplasmic reticulum, aka the ER, has a ribosome, as we talked about so far. Some of it is smooth and some of it is rough. Don't worry, it'll get the job done. It's pretty tough. Next to the ER, you can find the Golgi apparatus. It's folded with pockets and a large lattice. The Golgi apparatus is like UPS. It packages materials and sends them to the right address.
You don't want to piss off the lysosome. It's filled with enzymes and will pick your bones. It cleans up all around the cell. If you're not wanted, it'll send you to hell. We have trillions of these cells working in our bodies. They are part of you and they're a part of me. And we'd like to thank Biochemistry and give a shout out to our boy Giese!